Okay, ready? Ready. Swimmers, take your mark. Go.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Oh!
Real snow talent. Yo, my face cold.
Black baby.
I thought he was joking. Oh my god. Clear the snow from the walkway.
You can't.
Yes, dig it.
Wait a minute, we'll turn the shovel off. Where the shovel?
Down.
So, we ready?
Ready?
Go. Go. Yeah! Restaurants are closed, nothing out but a full moon after a blizzard. All you want to do is have some fun. So, we're going to drink a beer and have some fun.
For the camera, man.
Fuck it. Yo. No. Shut it out the window. Dang.